Hi everyone, welcome to Lawyer Up by NDV Law. This is Attorney Karlo Nicolas, Senior Partner of Nicolas and Vega Law Offices. In today's video, I will teach you how to file a collection case in the Philippines. Do you want to collect money from people who borrowed money from you? Where the payment of money is the principal relief sought, filing a collection suit is proper. A collection suit is a civil action, and in the Philippines, a civil action is defined as one by which a party sues another for the protection or enforcement of a right or the prevention or redress of a wrong. A civil action may either be ordinary or special. A collection suit is an ordinary civil action governed by the rules of civil procedure. Let's ask who are the parties in a civil suit or a civil collection suit. Only natural or juridical persons or entities authorized by law may be parties in a collection suit. The parties are designated as plaintiff or defendant. The plaintiff referring to the claiming party, the counterclaimant, the cross-claimant, or the third or fourth party plaintiff. The defendant, on the other hand, refers to the original defending party, the defendant in a counterclaim, the cross-defendant, the third or fourth party defendant. Now, it is said that every action must be prosecuted or defended in the name of the real party in interest. So, a real party in interest under Philippine law is the party who stands to be benefited or injured by the judgment in the case or the party entitled to the avails of the case. If the suit is between husband and wife, then the husband and wife shall sue or be sued jointly, except as provided by law. A minor or a person who is alleged to be incompetent or incapacitated may sue or be sued with the assistance of his father, mother, guardian, or if he has none, the court-appointed guardian ad litem. How to commence a collection suit? A collection suit is commenced by filing a complaint for sum of money in court. A complaint is the pleading alleging the plaintiff's cause or causes of action. It must provide the names of the parties and their residences. Now, where can you file a collection suit? A collection suit or a civil action for the collection of a sum of money can be filed or instituted in the place where the plaintiff or any of the principal plaintiffs reside, or the defendant or where any of the principal defendants reside, or in case where the claim is against a non-resident defendant where the defendant may be found, all at the plaintiff's election or decision. Now, which court in the Philippines has jurisdiction? The Metropolitan Trial Courts have exclusive jurisdiction over claims for sum of money not exceeding 400,000 pesos, exclusive of costs and interest. In this case, the claim should be prosecuted under the small claims procedure. The Metropolitan Trial Courts shall have exclusive jurisdiction over payment of money where the value of the claim exceeds 300,000 pesos but does not exceed 400,000 pesos. In this case, the collection suit is considered as an ordinary civil action which shall be prosecuted under the revised rules of civil procedure. The municipal trial courts in cities and the municipal circuit trial courts have exclusive jurisdiction over payment of money where the value of the claim, exclusive of costs and interest, does not exceed 300,000 pesos. If that is the case, the same shall be prosecuted under the revised rules of procedure for small claims cases. This is as of April 1, 2019. Now, if it exceeds the jurisdictional amount, which is 400,000 pesos in metropolitan trial courts and 300,000 pesos in municipal trial courts in cities, and municipal circuit trial courts, the regional trial courts in the Philippines will have jurisdiction over the money claim. How much is the court fee or docket fee to be paid in a collection suit? Filing and docketing of a complaint are not separate but complementary. It is not simply the filing of the complaint or the appropriate initiatory pleading, but also the payment of the prescribed docket fee that vests jurisdiction over the court over the subject matter or nature of the action. Now, the purpose of a docket fee is to take care of the court expenses in handling of the case in terms of costs or supplies, the use of equipment, and the salaries and benefit of the court staff. An action to collect a sum of money that is within the jurisdiction of the municipal trial court, but with an accessory prayer for damages beyond the jurisdiction of the court. The damages, interest, attorney's fees, litigation expenses are to be included in determining the jurisdiction, but docket fees are still to be collected. So in general terms, roughly 2% of the total amount claimed will constitute the docket fees, and the equivalent amount will be assessed by the court upon filing the case. Now let's discuss who has the duty to prove all the allegations in the complaint. Of course, it is the plaintiff. In civil cases, the burden of proof is on the party who would be defeated if no evidence is given on either side. So in a collection case, the plaintiff or the one who has a right to collect money from the defendant will have that burden of proving the unpaid debt. Now, what is the quantum or level of evidence needed in a collection suit? Section 1, Rule 133 of the Rules of Court mandates that in civil cases, the party having the burden of proof must establish his or her case by a preponderance of evidence. Now, the Supreme Court has defined preponderance of evidence as the evidence as a whole, adduced by one side, that is superior to that of the other. It refers to the weight, credit, and value of the entirety of evidence on either side, and is usually considered to be synonymous with the term greater weight of evidence or greater weight of credible evidence. Thus, it is evidence which is more convincing to the court as worthy of belief than that which is offered in opposition to that. That is how to file a small claims case in the Philippines. If this video has been helpful, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also visit our website, ndvlaw.com, to learn more about legal matters in the Philippines. Thank you for watching Lawyer Up by NDV Law. Once again, I am Attorney Karlo Nicolas of Nicolas and Vega Law Offices.